Most of the time the glass holds, but when the glass breaks at the zoo, this happens. Shark Tank. A shark tank suddenly fell apart in China, and the damage was devastating. The tank, which was later confirmed to be too old, broke, and everything housed within came spilling out. 16 people were hurt, and 3 sharks were killed. I feel especially for this person who was right beside the tank when it happened. Chinese zoo. Monkeys are just that smart. Sometimes their curiosity can lead to the most unexpected behavior. In this Chinese zoo, a monkey was recorded using a rock as a tool, but chose to crack the glass instead of cracking a nut out of utter curiosity. Luckily, the glass didn't completely shatter like in the Shark Tank.